Hello everyone, this is my review of Welch's Perfect Lunches, Berries and Cherries, Zero Sugar Fruit Snacks. You get real berry and cherry notes, sweet and fruity, not flat. It doesn't feel like health food, pretending to be candy. I love that they're zero sugar, gluten-free, and fat-free. This makes them flexible for different diets and easier to snack on without a big sugar spike. The texture is soft and chewy familiar in the good Wayno weird rubbery feel. They're easy to bite into, but still satisfying enough for a snack. The portion size, a small 3-ounce bag, is just right. You get enough to enjoy without overindulging. It's nice to pack in a lunchbox or a gym bag. A couple of minor caveats. Since it's sweetened with sugar alternatives, if you eat a lot, your digestion might feel it. Also, natural and artificial flavors are in there. So if you prefer ultra-clean label snacks, that might be something you notice. Overall, this Welch's option hits the mark pretty well for a fruit snack with zero sugar and real flavor. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.